It is 4:35 a.m. and we are off to Tumbler Ridge. Hello, I'm vlogging again. Regardless, we're in Whitecourt currently, which is about 5 hours from Calgary, give or take, and it's about 6 hours still till Tumbler Ridge, so about the halfway point, or at least the biggest city in the halfway point, with the exception of maybe Fox Creek, but I don't know, we never stopped there. We're here just getting gas, basically, but I thought it'd be a good time to actually talk to the camera instead of just filming B-roll. So yeah, Whitecourt, halfway through, bi-daily videos, should be good.
And distance cat shots. Oh, they're so sweet.
Can you see what you're filming?
Yep. Oh, they look so cute.
Won't you slide the music right into it? Won't you dance with me? Find a place and lose it. You can do it. Won't you dance with me? Move your feet and feel it in the space between. You gotta give yourself a moment. Let your body be. Your name I'll never know as we get down in the road below. Caught up in an overflow. My hands are gone.
Alright, we're now sufficiently settled in. Also, sorry if the audio is bad here, but it's currently raining outside, and I know the camera's weather sealed, so that's fine, but I don't want to put the mic on top of it and get the dead cat all wet. Hi.
Hi.
Here's the plan. I've said some of these things before, but I'm just going to say them again. It's easier, and I don't need to think. I'm going to make a video every 2 days while I'm here, which doesn't work with the schedule, but that's fine. It's just another Tumbler Ridge visit. We're going to do a bunch of hopefully new hikes. It's also hopefully not going to rain. Just not nice.
It's not.
I'm going to do some new hikes, do some new exploring, a lot of droning. I was going to drone right now, but it's raining. So, that's a no. Yeah, I think that's enough said. It's raining, let's go back inside. It's dry right here, so I'll stand right here. See? Okay, so what have I said? Posting videos every 2 days because I don't think I can keep up with the pace of daily. Maybe I'll try, who knows? Providing the weather is good, lots of drone shots and gimbal work and stuff. If it stays like this will not be great. Unfortunately, though, it doesn't look like there's much to do tonight because, you know. Elsa, you can't come outside.
No.
Alright, let's go back in. So, currently, we're all still getting settled in. I mean, it's the morning, we're all tired. Sarah's playing Mario Kart, having a good time. Mom and Quinn are just basically lounging around. We're gonna go get groceries pretty soon. But first, I have enough time to fly the drone, so I think I'll do that.
Get into it, won't you dance with me? Find a place and lose it, you can do it, won't you dance with me? Move your feet and feel it in the space between. You gotta give yourself a moment, let your body be.
While I do so, I thought I'd mention a couple of other goals I have for this week. So I'm gonna try to do daily videos. I don't know if it'll happen, it depends on how busy the days are. Like, for instance, today, I don't feel like I've really filmed enough to actually warrant making a video, but who knows? I also want to create one big cinematic Tumbler Ridge video by the end of the week. Kind of like, what's it called? Kind of like memories that I made at the end of summer. that's another plan. So I'm sometimes shooting stuff for the vlog, sometimes shooting stuff for that video. I'm gonna bounce back and forth between it. And yeah, I think that's everything that I haven't talked about yet. I just felt like, because I can't go and film now, I should talk, because I don't know what else to do to get this thing up to length.